Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm making a dulce de leche cake. So I already made my filling, my dulce de leche filling, and also my syrup for the dulce de leche cake. So I said let me show you guys how I made them in case you want to make them. Okay, so look at this filling. See how nice. Okay, in this video actually I'm going to show you how I made the syrup. The milky syrup for the dulce de leche cake. Some people call it the milk cake, but most people know it as a dulce de leche cake. Whatever it is you call it, so then I'm going to show you how to make the syrup for that cake type. Okay, look at this filling. Yeah, I'm also going to be showing you guys in another video how I make this filling, so stay tuned. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. So this milk cake has, like, I don't know, it's a regular cake. The most people don't have a different recipe for the cake, but they have recipes for the syrup and also the filling. Okay, so for the filling today, for the syrup, we're going to be making the syrup today. So I've said that before. Why am I repeating myself today? So the first, pardon me guys, so the first thing you want to think about is the milk. So for this milk today I'm using 3.2%. so you want to make sure you use full fat milk. You don't want to use skimmed milk because you're eating the dulce de leche cake. Like what I used to trying to cut fat. Like if you're eating this cake at all, you're not trying to cut fat, just don't waste your time. So make sure to use full fat milk because that's, you know, always a better option. So for that we're going to be needing 200 grams of full fat milk. You can use maybe 2.5 as well, but for this one I'm going to be using 3.2. Okay, so today we're going to pour it in our saucepan and just bring it to a light boil. Okay, so after bringing it to a light boil, we are going to add some heavy whipping cream. So this is optional, you don't have to do this, but I like to do this because what it does is it increases the richness of the, you know, of the syrup and stuff. So you need 50 grams of heavy whipping cream, and then you're going to pour it in your saucepan. And notice that my heat is on really low. Okay, so to sweeten it, we're not going to be using sugar. You can as well use sugar, but you know, I'm trying to add some more creaminesses because I want it to be decadent and stuff. So to that we're going to be adding 50 grams of sweet condensed milk. Like this is going to be perfect. This is amazing. If you try this, you're going to see what I'm talking about. So you want 200 grams of milk, 50 grams of condensed milk, and 50 grams of heavy whipping cream, and you're going to have this really nice milky syrup. So you just want to bring it to a light boil for like maybe 30 seconds, 15 seconds, and then turn it into your container to cool down. You want to use the syrup when it is cold, because if you use it when it is hot, your cake is going to spoil. Like it start growing mold really fast, and you don't want that. Don't say I didn't warn you. So make sure it cools down before you try to use it. Okay, so guys, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Another thing I like to do when I do this actually is to add a table or 2 tablespoonfuls of vodka or lemon extract. What that does for you is that, like, it increases the shelf life and it will make it spoil fast. You know, like there's a lot of milk and, like, you know, dairy solids in there, so you know you need to be careful. So like you don't make a cake for your customer that spoils within like how many hours and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it's useful to you. So if you use this syrup and you like it, please leave me a comment in the comment section below, and please give me a thumbs up on this video. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. And watch out for my dulce de leche filling because I made it from scratch. Okay guys, bye.